What is an LMS? If you spent any time in a corporate environment, then you've probably used an LMS. You might simply know it as the portal that you use to complete your annual compliance training, but what's actually going on behind the scenes? Well, in this super quick video, I'm going to talk about what exactly an LMS is and whether or not you need one. So what exactly is an LMS? Well, first let's start with the fundamentals. LMS stands for Learning Management System. You have to think of the acronym LMS as spokes in the hub of your organization's training. The learning is the engine that delivers your courses, your videos, your articles, your documents that you use for training. The M for management allows your administrators to go in and set specific training for specific roles. Lastly, the system is a database that tracks who has started, who's completed, and who is in progress of completing their training. And yeah, who's overdue on the training too. Now, historically, an LMS has traditionally focused more heavily on the M and S, the management and the system side of things, and honestly a little bit less on the learning. Traditionally, success has been largely measured by completion rates, but lately we've been finding that completion doesn't always equal competency. Just because an employee alt-tabs a video and just lets it play out or hits next on a page of 50 slides doesn't necessarily mean that they've taken in that information. If you're in a high-risk industry like banking or financial services, this can be a huge problem because engagement can often be your first line of defense against risk. That explains why a lot of industries have shifted to LXPs. Now, what's an LXP? Well, an LXP stands for Learning Experience Platform. Well, think of it this way. An LMS is like a digital filing cabinet. In your filing cabinet, you have everything you need for your compliance training, but it's only there if you go and look for the files in your filing cabinet. An LXP can almost be described more as a streaming service or social media where you just go for little bite-sized bits of training. An LXP is often designed to be more personalized, engaging, and game-based, so it can also be just fun. Now, the real question, do you need an LMS or do you need an LXP? Now, some people actually use an LXP in tandem with an LMS as a learning hub where staff can go to learn and grow. Now, as LXPs continue to grow and become more robust, some organizations are finding it's worthwhile just leaving the digital filing cabinet behind and sticking solely with an LXP for your learning experience and your compliance needs. So an LMS, it can be a great foundation, but at the end of the day, you need the experience to count. That's how people learn, that's how people change, and that's how people grow. And at the end of the day, that's what determines whether or not the training actually works. If you want to check out a platform that can do all of that and more, well, check out Lemonade LXP. We got cool Insight AI tools where you can draft your content in minutes for your courses. And that's not all. With Lemonade LXP, you can actually roll out training that your staff will enjoy and is going to have fun completing. So thanks so much for watching. We got tons of great content coming your way all the time.